Greetings, and welcome or welcome back to my channel where every day there's a new reading from the Jamaican New Testament. So let me ask you one serious question. You think say possible for Satan go in a you? Think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people to hear God and talk to them in the Jamaican language, just click the like button, drop one comment below, and share this video with everybody where you know. And if you don't do it yet, now the best time, to click the subscribe button and the notification bell too. To make sure so you don't miss none of what I go on right here. So 5 o'clock Jamaica time every morning.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Today, I'm going to read from the good news about Jesus as gone to Luke chapter 22 from verse 1 to verse 6. The holiday where people name bread without yeast and where the name Passover did soon come, and the head priest and the law teacher them did a try find one way to get rid of Jesus under the quiet, cause them did afraid of the people them. Then Satan go in at Judas, we then call Iscariot. Him did one of Jesus 12 apostle them. So Judas go at the head priest and the top man them we guard God house. Fi talk about how he could have sell out Jesus and give him over to them. Them glad so till and promise fi pay him. Judas make bargain with them. And him wait for the chance when the crowd no dead fi give Jesus over to them. A God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.